Alright, so today we're going to be doing a 3-pack opening of the Cosmic Eclipse to continue my collection. Let's see what we get. Next video, I'll be doing a 4-pack opening. Alright. Gloom, Lena's fishing rod. Okay. Ooh, we got a reverse holo Pancham. Then a Fione. Okay. All right. Clefairy, like that. Okay, we got a reverse holo Palpitoad and Galele. Ugh. Ugh. One, two, three, four. All right, last pack here. Let's hope we get something good. Let's get a secret rare. Side duck, Oddish, Rufflet, reverse holo Piplup, and a holo Gallade. Okay, so like I said, next I'll be updating how many I have left on the next video to complete my collection, and we'll be doing 4 packs in the next video. See you.